In today's video, I share with you how I make this delicious chicken feet recipe. This turned out so nice, delicious and juicy as well. So guys, let's get into the video. I have with me here my clean chicken feet. I'll go in with some onion, some ginger powder. I'll also add some garlic and all-purpose natural spice, some turmeric powder. I'll also add some seasoning cube, some salt, and then go in with some water. Mix everything together and cover it. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much. We make anything related to food recipes, so kindly subscribe if you like my content. Now after 5 minutes, I will give this a gentle stir and then cover it again. Thank you so much if you are still watching up to this time. Now I have here some chopped tomatoes, habanero pepper and some garlic. After blending off camera, this is what I had over here. Okay, fam, checking on our chicken feet. It's okay now because it doesn't take long to cook. So let's proceed with the stew. In a hot oil, I went in with some onions, some rosemary, and then add bay leaf. I will stir them. I want to thank my returning subscribers. God bless you all for always coming back to watch my videos. So now at this point, I will add some curry powder and then mix them together. You can also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. The name is Getty Cooks. So now I went in with the blended tomatoes. I will let this be on the fire for some time. Moving forward, after some time on the fire, I will just mix everything together and I'll go in with some chicken seasoning tablet and also chili powder. Mix everything together until they are well combined. So guys, if you have never tried this chicken feet before, you really need to do. It tastes so nice and delicious. Okay, so now I'll go in with my cooked chicken feet and then mix everything together with the stew. If you are still watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment on this video, and also share this video to reach more people. Alright, so after 15 minutes, our chicken feet recipe is all done. This was so simple to put together with just some few ingredients. Guys, let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. And if you find this video interesting, kindly give this video a thumbs up and share this video. So I went ahead to pair this with my curry rice. This was so delicious, guys. You really need to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point. And until then, see you in my next one. Bye.